Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another videos. In today's videos, I'll show you guys how to create a web hosting business for your website design agency. With this network, you can easily host and manage your clients' websites, and you can sell your designs packages as a subscription business, and they all can run on autopilot. Okay, so let's get started. So just a little bit about myself. I've been building websites professionally for about 8 years now. Ever since 2015, I knew that I always wanted to have my own system so that I can host my client's website, so that I can easily manage my client's websites, updates of the plugins and themes, and easily troubleshoot of my client's website. That's why I set out to build smartinggoods.com so that I can displays of my website designs and to show my clients of my designs, and if they like a certain designs, they can easily sign up for the website. And until this day, smartinggoods.com still bringing recurring monthly income for me, and I was able to generate multiple sources of income by offering my website design services, by offering marketing services. Until this day, it's bringing over $50,000 in total profit, and it's a great business. That's why I wanted to make these videos to show you guys how to create a web hosting business just like smartinggoods.com, so that you can host the website for your clients. Alright you guys, as I was making the videos to show you guys how to create the web hosting business just like smartinggoods.com, I get this notifications to let me know that this customer right here just signed up for the websites, and this is my Stripe payment email. And the plugin I use is called WP Ultimo. This plugin right here costs about $250 for one network per year, and this one right here is $350 to get off the premium add-ons and stuff like that. But if you want to create the WP Ultimo web hosting network, you can simply go to sasstank.io. I think their installations cost is about $200, and for the monthly hosting plan, you get the domain name, hosting SSL certificates for just about $25. They already pre-built this network right here. You can simply go in here, you can check out of the demo, and if you like, you can click right here to get started. All you have to do is just choose the domain name. Just enter the domain name right here. You can check to see if that domain name is available or not. Okay, click right here to check it out, and this thing is available. It will give you of the suggested domain names. You can click right here to continue. Now all you have to do is just choose the domain configurations, like for the DNS. If you want to choose the ID protections, you can choose it for $10 a year, and you can choose the email forwarding and stuff like that. So these are free, only this one right here is paid. I'll click right here to continue. Now all you have to do is just click right here to check out. So this is the total. Okay, you can click right here to check out. Now all you have to do is just enter your first name, last name, emails, create the passwords, and enter your Stripe payment details. Now all you have to do is just click right here to complete the orders. And I think it takes about 3 to 5 minutes for the system to generate the network for you, and then it will send you the emails with of your logins, informations, and stuff like that. Alright you guys, let's check this out. This is one of the customers. They just signed up for the websites on my network, and as you can see right here, this is the register date right here. Today is the 16th. Okay, so today is the 16th right here. And let's check out the front end of the website. And as you can see, I already opened it. So this is the website the customer just signed up. So basically, I previewed this website right here. And if you go to my sites right here, this is the template. This is going to be the exact template that's the customers choose. So basically, this is the templates that I previewed, and this is the customer websites, and it's all installed in just a few minutes. So this is a great way if you want to launch customer websites, or if you want to set your website designs business on autopilot. You can make tutorial videos to show people how to sign up for these templates right here, and you can show off the features via your videos. And if you upload your videos on YouTube, there's an opportunity for you to make multiple sources of income, because with YouTube you can monetize your YouTube channels if you meet YouTube requirements, right? So this is a great business if you want to, generate multiple sources of income and make passive income. Okay, you guys, so on SaaStank.io they have a bunch of templates. So let's go over some of the templates and see of the features. And as you can see on their YouTube channels, they already make tutorials to show you guys how to create the network, how to configure WP Ultimate domain name, how to set it up with cPanels, and how to set up all the templates and stuff like that. So I'm not going to go over all of that. You can go to the YouTube channels to check it out. So let's check out some of their demos. As you can see, they have about 9 demos that we can check it out. So let's check out this Soften network. We can click right here to check out the demo. As you can see, all of these network has one key features, that is that they have the template library where the user can create all of the templates. Just like smartinggoods.com, we create a bunch of templates already, and this one has some of the basics templates. But if you want to equip them with like premium plugin and themes, because WordPress multi-site, you only have one WordPress installation. So with most of the license, its work is compatible. So most of the time it works, but sometimes plugin and themes are not compatible. So we just have to find a different alternative. As you can see right here, this is WP Ultimo V2, and people can click right here to browse the templates of the networks. As you can see, they can browse on different screen size right here, and as you can see right here, the network is loading. But over here they have the use this templates right here, where people can simply click right here to sign up for this template. And this is the view on the desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile screen. As you can see, people can click right here to sign up, and just like that, it will take them to the website where they can choose the templates package. Okay, so they can choose the plan right here, and they can choose the site titles. For example, let's enter some example template, and as you can see, this is the URL. Okay, so when you sign up for this network right here, this is going to be your domain name, right? And then this is going to be your customer template. We can click right here to go to the next step, and just like that, the user can easily sign up for the website by entering their email, create a username, password, confirm password, and this is the summary of the order. Okay, so this one you can set up the installations fee right here for $99, and this is the subscriptions fee for $30 a month. And this is where they can enter their cards information, their expiration date, and their CVC code. Okay, they can simply click right here to check out, and just like that, it will set up the new WordPress installations for the customer. Right, so this template right here is very cool. This is their home page. It is very well designed. As you can see, it responds to any screen size. So this is a mobile screen size right here, and this is a tablet, and this is a laptop desktop screen size, as you can see. Okay, so all of these buttons are functional, and you can go in here, you can download these images, and you can customize the images right here to fit your business. Okay, as you can see, it's look very nice, very professional. And as you can see, these buttons are very responsive. If you click on it, it will take them to the template page. But after you sign up for this template, you log in, you can change the directions of these buttons right here to a different page and stuff like that. You can easily customize the menus. You can change the logos. You can edit these websites right here with Elementor's page builder. So it's very cool features, and it used to take me about 2 years to develop smartinggoods.com. You know, you have to customize, configure, everything have to work properly in order to accept new customer, right? But with smartinggoods.io, you can easily sign up for this configured network, and it's already configured for you. So just sign up, and then you can enter your payment details. So for example, I use Stripe as my main payment method, right? So I just create a Stripe account, enters off the API key, and just like that, I can advertise my business to generate passive income. I mean, if you already have a website design agency, you can easily sign up for this templates right here, and you know, create a few templates that your customers usually choose, and then you can, you know, set it up for your customer, and then customize your templates a little bit, and then make it available on your website so that other customers, they can go in and they can check out all of your available templates, and if they like it, they can simply sign up, choose domain name, choose the site titles, and sign up in just a few minutes. It's a very simple network, but it's very effective. I was able to generate over 50,000 on my Stripe account, as you can see right here. So this is a great business. That's why I wanted to share this business with you guys. So if you guys are interested in creating a web hosting network just like smartinggoods.com, feel free to check out the link I put in my video descriptions. It's my affiliate link. So if you decide to use these templates right here, please use my affiliate link, because it's going to help me a little bit to keep this channels going. And ever since I moved back to Vietnam, you know, life over here, it's just simple, you know, because I don't really have a lot of expenses. I can live comfortably with this kind of income, and I was able to do the things I love, you know, because in Vietnam it doesn't cost a lot to live here. That's why, you know, I've been living in Vietnam for the last couple of years now, and I just want to make these videos to share these videos with you guys and update with you guys a little bit about my personal life, my business life. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you guys want to support me, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button to follow more contents like this on my channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.